Alright guys, so as you can tell, I have a bunch of makeup sitting right here. This is going to be a first impressions face makeup video. If you made it this far in the video, you probably already know that, but I'm gonna tell you again anyway. Tie my hair back. If you guys have never watched a first impressions makeup video, I have not used any of the products that I'm about to use in this video. We're gonna see how this goes. So we're gonna start with the face. I am using the Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer in the shade Sand. We're gonna use this under my eyes. And this reminds me a lot of one of the high-end ones. I also use this as eyeshadow primer. Some on my pimples. Blend out the under eyes. This concealer is feeling very nice. I think it's concealing pretty well. It doesn't feel cakey so far. I think it's pretty good shade-wise. Wow, I'm surprised I matched my shade that well because I normally suck at that. Either go too light or too dark. Blend it in. Now we're gonna move on to foundation. So now we're gonna move on to foundation, and I'm gonna be using the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Foundation. I got the shade Honey. So this is what the box looks like. There we go. Whoa, it's in another box. Ooh, dude, this packaging, look at this. This packaging is so nice. I've wanted to try Laura Mercier products forever, and I finally brought myself. So this is the Honey shade. I'm hoping it's correct. Pink foundation I am. Oh my god, it has a pump. Pumps make life so much easier. Like already I'm feeling very good about this foundation. Let's try. Nothing's coming out. Great. Oh, there we go. We got foundation. I already messed up the pump. That's fine. Dab it on. We're gonna take another pump. Alright, the pump is already getting a little bit messed up. As always, I got some foundation in my hair. I tie my hair back for a reason, and I still end up with foundation in my hair. It's good. It's real good. Oh my god. You know what I forgot? Primer. Great. Well, we'll save that for another video. So far, it's feeling a little heavier than my normal foundation. So moving on to powder and setting it, I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier Loose Setting Powder in the shade Translucent, and it came with this little puff thing. I don't really know if I want to use that. Okay. Wow, I always damage boxes when I open them. Just trying to keep it nice looking, whatever. This is what it looks like. I don't have a lot of Laura Mercier products. I want to expand my collection. These two have the nicest packaging I've ever seen in my life. And then you open it up and it has little dot things right here. So I'm guessing you tap it into the lid. So we're gonna take the sticker off. Hopefully powder doesn't go everywhere, because knowing me in my track record, that's what happens usually. There's some powder on the sticker. I tapped a little bit into the lid. We're just gonna be using my normal face brush. So far my face feels lightweight, which is what I like. I don't like feeling like I have makeup on. I get lightened feeling of the foundation, if that makes sense. I don't know though. So now we're gonna go in and do my eyes. I'm going to be using the Coastal Scents Revealed Matte palette, and then I'm gonna be using some of the new Makeup Forever Refillable Artist color shadows. And basically what these are, you can customize your own shadow palette. So it comes in these like little individual eyeshadow palette things, and then it comes with this refillable system. You put them in here and there's like a magnet so you can attach all your shadows in here. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Shadows I am using are M842, ME912, M847. Open it up. It's like an individual shadow shade. So this is what it looks like on the back. It's like metal and magnetic, so you can just... Did you hear that snap into place? That's so cool. I love customizing like my own eyeshadow palette, and if I didn't say this in the intro and you're still watching, I will be linking everything I used in the description below. This one is ME912. Just insert it. I already have makeup on my finger from putting these shadows in. They're pretty big. This is a pretty big amount. This last one isn't. Hello, what's up?
From McDonald's?
No. Thanks, Mom. So they're all in, just looks like this, and it's so cool. I love it. So I zoomed you guys in a little bit so we can do my eyeshadow. We're gonna start with the Coastal Scents Revealed Matte Palette. So this is what it looks like. All these pretty shades. We're gonna start with this one and that one as like a base for my eyes. So we made a nice base. The colors were pretty blendable and pigmented. Didn't notice any problems with it. So now we're gonna take the new Makeup Forever, this one, on the crease and outer corner. Then we're gonna take this color inside. So this one's really pigmented. It's making kind of a mess on my eye, but we can fix it in blending. This one has more color than the other one. Not even at all. So now we're gonna take the middle purple sparkly color. These shadows are so pigmented. I love it. I didn't even use that much and it gave off so much color. So now we're gonna take my blending brush, blend it out. Now I have a little bit under my eyes. We're gonna fix it a little bit. Now we're gonna go back into the Revealed Matte Palette. We're gonna just use one of the lighter shades to highlight and brighten up the inner tear duct. So we're gonna be taking this one, highlight, and then we're gonna take it in the inner tear duct to brighten up the eye a little bit. And not too much. I love wearing color on my eyes. I've missed doing that. Ah! I just dropped my eyeshadow on the floor. Cool. So now we're gonna try using the Maybelline New York Master Precise Curvy Liquid Liner. As you guys know, if you've been watching my channel for a while, I don't wear eyeliner that much just because I feel like it messes up the look. I decided to try it out again. Because why not? Curvy, high precision, curvy, full-bodied line in one stroke. There are two sides to this, so wow, it looks so good. I love the point. That looks like it would be so helpful. Curvy tip, and it's supposed to be an ergonomic pen. We'll see about that. So we're just gonna use the mirror from my old True Match Compact Blended Makeup. The main reason I saved this was because of the mirror, and then it had a little puff. I'm gonna try and get accurate. I'm so nervous. Probably gonna mess up my whole eye look that I just spent a while on. Oh my god, I just blinked. Oh, this is why I hate eyeliner. That was pretty precise. It doesn't look that bad, does it? I keep getting caught in my eyelashes. Since I have hooded eyes, you can't really tell where I messed up. It's fine. It's fine. Let's try the other eye. Left eye is gonna be even worse than the right eye. I'm already calling it. I inadvertently made the wing a little bit prematurely on the side. Wow. Alright, if you ever wanted to know why I never wear eyeliner, this is why. From now on, I'm just gonna refer people to this video whenever they criticize me for not wearing eyeliner. This is why, y'all. A, I don't like it, and B, I can't do it. Why do my wings look like they're too far down? I'm not even trying to do a wing, but like, they just end up looking like wings when I get down here. Okay, this eye actually kind of looks better than this eye. Let's try and fix this one. One eye just always ends up looking better than the other one, and then when we try to fix it and even it out, it just... The struggle is real. Comment down below. Ow! Oh my god, I just poked my eye. Well, this is fun. This eye definitely looks a lot better, so I'm not gonna touch it. We're gonna try and fix the other side by blending. I worked so hard on this eyeshadow look. I think that is as good as it's going to get. We're just gonna move on to mascara. So I'm going to be trying out the Maybelline Colossal Big Shot Volume Express mascara with the Voluminous Lash Paradise. So I'm going to do one eye with one of them and then compare and then layer it. So we're gonna start with the Colossal Big Shot because why not? This is what always happens. Always, whenever I try and open a mascara. We got it. Let me see what the brush looks like. Ooh, that is a very interesting little brush right here. Now let's take a look at the Lash Paradise. Every time, are you kidding me? Here we are, here's the Lash Paradise. Let's see what this brush looks like. Ooh, that kind of looks like the Better Than Sex mascara brush. I don't have the Better Than Sex mascara, but I've seen it in Sephora. First order of business, curly eyelashes, as always. And we're gonna start with the messed up eye. I feel like I got something in my eye. We're going to start off with Lash Paradise. So the brush definitely looks like the Better Than Sex mascara. Whoa, this like has no clumping. What the heck? That looks so good. I always have problems getting the like little bitty lashes right here. Shush! Shush! So there's the top lashes. They're looking really good in my opinion. So now we're gonna try the bottom. The bottom is always a problem. Oh. Alright, this first eye is the Lash Paradise. I kind of messed up the bottom lashes as always. We can fix those a little bit later. So now we're gonna try the Colossal Big Shot. As always, curling eyelashes. This one is definitely smaller than the other one. Both of these are very, is it spidery? They definitely don't clump. Wow. So I haven't gotten mascara on my eyelid for a long time. They both are very comparable. The Lash Paradise is definitely not as dark as the Colossal Big Shot, but I think together it would be perfect. This looks really good for bottom lashes. Ow. Colossal Big Shot is on the left eye. You can definitely tell a difference between this eye and that eye. This eye has a lot more mascara on it. This eye feels a lot lighter and less dark. So if you don't like the dark look, then I would go with Lash Paradise. But if you do like it, Colossal Big Shot. They both don't clump. I don't mind the clumpy look, but if you're very against clumps, both of them are very non-clumpy. My lashes are very separated. It only clumps to the point to like make it look how. Compared to other mascaras I use, these are not clumpy. So I'm going to go ahead and combine them and we'll see what that looks like. It's definitely darkening up this one. It's starting to look more even. Alright, so it's starting to clump up a little bit more. Even though it's clumping, it still looks not clumpy, if that makes sense. So now it's looking a little bit more dark to match the other eye. Now we're gonna do Lash Paradise on the other eye. So this is what they look like. Whoops. Where'd it go? Oh my god. Oh my god. I just dropped my puff and I think it's gone forever. I can't find it. What I was about to say was that I really like the look of them together. Together, it is a little more clumpy than it is alone. I still really like the look of them together. We are going to move on to blush, and I have the Marc Jacobs Soft Glow Duo. So I'm thinking it's a highlight and blush together. And I have the color Kink and Kisses. It's called Kink and Kisses, like literally not joking. Here it is. The packaging is so pretty. Just classic shiny black. Open it up. There's a mirror, a really big mirror. This is what the blush looks like. It's so pretty. We are going to apply this using my Real Techniques blush brush. So we can use the little mirror that's right here. I don't want to go too heavy with the blush because then I'll look not that great. So I think this side has a little more than this side. Now we're going to try and even it out. Why does it look different on camera? Is it even focused on me? So it's definitely very pigmented, as you guys can tell. I don't know why this line is longer than that line, but let's even this out. So this blush is super pigmented, but it's also light enough to make it look natural, which is always what you want in a blush. At least that's what I want in a blush. I would give all the products a thumbs up. I really like how they turned out. They look very nice on my skin. So I also decided to forego the lipstick. No lipstick today. Alright guys, so this is the final makeup look. I hope you guys enjoy it. So if you guys want to check anything that I used in this video out, you can check out the description box. I always have links down there. If you are lazy like me and you don't like to go look it up, the links are down below and I made it really convenient for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell that pops up next to it, because sometimes YouTube doesn't notify you even if you're subscribed that I uploaded a new video, and I would hate for you guys to miss any videos from me. And if you like this video and you want me to do more videos like this, give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which kinds of videos you want to see, and I will do my best to make those videos for you guys. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!